Hi friends, I'm Santosh. Now I'm going to explain how to configure DNS with Route 53, which was provided by AWS. In AWS Web Services, you can see there are lots of services available. For this lab, we are currently choosing ELB services, EC2 services, and S3 services, and Route 53 services, which was provided by AWS. ELB means Elastic Load Balancer. EC2 means Elastic Cloud Compute, and S3 means Simple Storage Service. These are the three services having separate public DNSs. EC2, that means instances. If you are creating one instance, that one instance having own public DNS. If you are creating two instances, there are totally two public DNS can be noticed. S3 having public DNS. With these public DNS, we can able to browse our website. If you see here, just EC2. Here I have created 3 instances. Currently 2 instances are running. Each instance is having own public DNS. If you observe, click on 2 running instances. If you select one instance, you can observe public DNS, and it is very hard to remember. If you copy and paste 702, this is my publisher folder name, and this is my public DNS of one of my instance, and you can see my website. And it is very hard to remember to every user. To eliminate this problem, we are introducing a new service called Route 53. Route 53, which converts public DNS into registered DNS. For this Route 53, first we need to purchase our own domain. In this lab, I have observed you can purchase free domain for 1 year licensed in Freenome. This is my domain. For example, I'm showing you. This is my domain, and it's for 1 year complete licensed, and it is active, and it is completely free. You can check whether the domain is working or not. Yes, my domain is working. This is my domain which I have purchased for free for 1 year. So now I'm going to explain how to configure Route 53, which was provided by AWS. Before starting to do the configuration part, I will tell you the requirements. The requirements you have to follow before configuring Route 53. First, you need to enable Route 53. You should have enough credit to use this service. And Route 53 is available throughout all regions. So here you can see global. First, you need to create hosted zone. In this lab, I have created my new hosted zone. This is my domain. So I have created my hosted zone with my domain. If you click on this hosted zone, you will observe name servers. There are totally 4 name servers. Copy each and every name server and paste it in your domain. In my domain, you can observe manage domain. Go to management tools, name servers, paste each and every name servers with your domain. Then click save. Now go to record set, create record set. This is my domain name. Just leave it as a default. alias yes, you have to target. Route 53 can be targeted in a certain AWS services. For example, S3, ELB, CloudFront distribution, Elastic environments, record sets in the hosted zone, ELB load balancer. Here I have created Dynostore LB as a ELB load balancer. So I have targeted, if you see, I have targeted Dynostore LB. Dynostore LB is my load balancer which I was created. Currently there are 2 instances running. So this public DNS is very hard to remember, so that I'm just converting this public DNS into my domain. Now check whether it was configured properly or not. This is my domain. This is my domain. It works. So instead of using public DNS which was provided by ELB, EC2 and S3, you can use your own domain to open this website. Thank you one and all.